Well, the season is definitely insane, and that's not good for all of us. As you see, so many players getting injured, and also the balls are quite heavy, so it's a lot. A lot of struggle for all of us. But what Serena did, the rules were different. Right now, like last season, by the end of the season, because they didn't play enough of 500 events, they fine us with points, me and Iga. So then it's like, okay, if you play 7 events, even though you win if you win all of them, then maybe it's not a big deal. But you cannot predict that. Okay, I'm going to play 7 events, I'm going to win them all, and that's it. The rules are quite tricky with mandatory events, but I'm still doing that. Like I'm skipping a couple events in order to protect my body because I struggled a lot last season. Even though the results were really consistent, but some of the tournaments I were playing being completely sick or I being really exhausted from overplaying. So this season we'll try to manage it a little bit better, even though if they're gonna fine me by the end of the season. But it's tricky to do that. You cannot like skip 1,000 event and then it's really tricky. And I think that's insane what they do. It's I think they just follow their interest, but they're not focusing on protecting all of us.